In today's lesson, we're looking at collocations about the weather. Hello and welcome to another video. My name's Alex. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any of our lessons on Tuesdays and Thursdays. In today's lesson, we're going to look at collocations and expressions about the weather. Because as you know, in Britain, we love talking about the weather. Let's have a look at the language. So our first expression is, it's pouring with rain. So as we can see from the photo here, it's very heavy rain. It's pouring with rain. Our next one is also about rain, and it's torrential rain. Torrential rain. So this is even heavier than pouring with rain. So it's very heavy rain indeed. Torrential rain. Looking at this guy here, you can guess what kind of weather it is. It's freezing cold. It's freezing cold. This doesn't necessarily mean it's below zero, but it's very cold. It's freezing cold. A little bit more positive here. We've had unbroken sunshine. So this means there wasn't a cloud in the sky and we had sunshine all the time. Unbroken sunshine. You can see where this guy is in the desert, and of course in the desert it's scorching hot. It's really hot. It's scorching hot. Here we can see some lovely palm trees, and think about the noise that the wind makes when it goes through these trees. We can say the wind is whistling through the trees. So this is about the noise that it makes. It's whistling through the trees. This wind is a little bit stronger and actually strong enough to be classified as a storm or a gale. So we call these gale-force winds. Gale-force winds. It's pretty obvious from this photo. We can see there's thick cloud. Thick cloud. Here we have crisp snow. So that's the type of snow that hasn't been stood on. And you can imagine the noise it makes. It's like a crunch when you stand on the snow. It's crisp snow. Back to a beautiful palm tree for our last example. And in this one, the sun is splitting the trees. The sun is splitting the trees. This is not literal. It just means it's very sunny. The sun is splitting the trees. In Glasgow, it's mostly been pouring with rain this week, unfortunately. What's the weather like where you are? Let us know in the comments. Follow us on social media and see you next time.